With the new Harry Potter series on the way, everyone's getting ready to return to Hogwarts. But before the magic, before the fame, and before the legend, this is where Harry Potter's true story begins. Harry Potter's story begins before he even knows who he is. He was born to James and Lily Potter, a loving couple in the wizarding world, but their lives were surrounded by danger. A dark wizard named Lord Voldemort was rising to power, and he believed a prophecy that said a child could defeat him. That child was Harry. One night, Voldemort came to kill him. Harry's parents tried to protect their child. His father was killed first, and then his mother made the ultimate sacrifice. She gave her life to save Harry. That act of love created a powerful protection. When Voldemort tried to kill the baby, the spell backfired. Voldemort disappeared, and Harry survived with only a lightning-shaped scar. After that, everything changed. A man named Hagrid took baby Harry and left him with his only relatives, the Dursleys. They were completely ordinary people who hated anything unusual. Harry grew up in their house, but life wasn't kind to him. He slept in a cupboard under the stairs, wore old clothes, and was treated more like a burden than family. But strange things always seemed to happen around him. His hair would grow back overnight. He once ended up on a rooftop without knowing how. Still, he had no idea he was a wizard. That changed when he turned 11. Letters started arriving to him, hundreds of them. The Dursleys tried to stop him from reading them, but on his birthday, Hagrid finally arrived again and told him the truth. Harry was a wizard, and he had been invited to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. For the first time, Harry discovered a world where he truly belonged. He went to Diagon Alley, got his wand, and learned that his parents had left him a small fortune. Then he boarded the Hogwarts Express, where he met Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger, his future best friends. At Hogwarts, Harry was sorted into Gryffindor. He quickly discovered he had a talent for flying and joined the Quidditch team. But his year wasn't just about classes and magic. There was a mystery unfolding. Harry and his friends learned about the Philosopher's Stone, a magical object that could grant immortality. They suspected someone was trying to steal it. In the end, Harry faced Voldemort himself, who was still weak but alive in a hidden form. Even as a first-year student, Harry managed to stop him once again. By the end of the year, Harry was no longer. This is gonna be the story of the Harry Potter's first season.